Hello everyone, thank you for your attention to Formica and our products. Today, I'm introducing a functional series into the Decometal collection, Magnetic Laminates. My name is Bing Wang. I'm the Technical Sales Manager Asia. I'm responsible for promotion and sales support of Decometal products in Asia regions. Formica is known as decorative surfacing materials. However, magnetic laminates is a well combination of decoration and function. By embedding an iron foil in the structure, the product has a very strong magnetic effect. Decometal magnetic laminates offers a big range of colors other than the mainstream black and white. Surfaces can also be written on with board markers or chalks. Certain matte surfaces can be used as projection screens. There is possibility of customizing your own magnetic surface by using raw magnetic board. There are also metallic surfaces in the range. Furthermore, we can make some of the Decometal metallic decals combined with the magnetic effect as individual customization. Decometal magnetic chalkboards are widely used in coffee shops, hotels, and restaurants. It's like a clean canvas for certain talents of handwriting and hand-drawing graphic, and meanwhile creates a warm and hospitable atmosphere to impress and attract customers. This is a similar application in office, especially for those firms in need for creativity. It encourages employees to give their best imagination and shift feelings of interior space instantly. On the other hand, Decometal magnetic whiteboards are often used in office and educational sites. This is a kindergarten project in Germany using matte whiteboard, which is a multifunction product also available for projection. In the same project, designer also used another color, apple green glossy, for lightening the interior. Magnetic laminate is more than just a writing board. It can be perfectly integrated with the constructional surfaces. It can make the whole wall panel writable without limitation of size, or like in this application, integrated with the sliding partition. This is a meeting room wall application using grid point whiteboard. By adding grids to the surface, the whiteboard provides joining references where you can easily achieve a very straight and neat writing or diagram. A blank writing space is not only needed in the meeting room, it's even better that everybody has one. In this case, light gray glossy is used as a partition between two desks for not only division, but also gives each individual a space for writing notes down or attaching documents to. The strong magnetic power gives possibility of different kinds of retail display. So Decometal magnetic laminates are also used in retail shops. This project is an optical shop in Italy. The glasses are displayed on a magnetic steel rack which attaches to the magnetic laminates. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned with Formica for more information. Formica initiated the online program of Formica for You, Learn, Share, Care to share new products, applications, fabrication, design stories. Please kindly enjoy.